Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue to test with the SLC500 with RSLogix 500 program about how to use the sequence output. Okay, so what is the sequence output program? The sequence output function we can use for start the output that we want, followed by the file, mask, destination, and control and length of the output. Okay. So in this step, I will explain a little bit, and then we will test with the real PLC Allen Bradley. Yes. By using the program RSLogix 500. Okay, so basically I have one timer that we can sequence for on and off every 5 seconds. Yes, to control the sequence output parameter. Okay, so I will turn on the bit number 1 until bit number 15, and then cycle. Yeah. So first we need to create the file name. The second we need to set the mask. The third we need to set the destination that we want to control. It means that the output that we want to control. And for control is default. Yes, that I will explain when we use the program. And the length is the length that we would like to control for the output. Example, can control 5, 2, or 1, or 16 bits. Yeah, we can control. Okay, so let's go to our software to create the program for control the output by using sequence output function. Okay, and I will use SLC500 CPU. Yeah, and use the output 16 bit. Yes, and write the sequence output for control this output. Okay, so let's go to our software. So first let's open the RSLinx classic program. Yes, so we need to configure the driver for communication. Okay, so I will connect the cable RS232 from my PC to the PLC. Yes. Okay. So right now I will use COM7. Yes. And then let's go to create the driver cable. Yes. I will stop this one first and delete all. Yes. Actually, when we add the first time, we don't have any driver like this. It's blank. So we need to add the driver. Yeah. Right now I will use RS232 DF1 devices. Yeah. Because I use the cable RS232 that connect from my PC to the processor of PLC. So click add new bond and then click OK, and we will choose the COM that we already select. Yeah, already connect. We can also check here device manager and then choose the COM port. Yeah, so right now I will use COM7. Yeah, or we can use any COM that we want. If I take out the COM7, Yes, it will hidden. If we would like to use any COM, we can use also. Example, I use COM6. So I will insert the cable of COM6. Yeah, it is so COM6. Okay. So right now I will use COM6. So here we can select for COM6 and then choose the auto configure button. It shows like this. It means that we successful connect between our PC to the PLC. And then click OK and then click close. And we can minimize the RSLinx classic. Then let's go to open the RS500 Logix 500 English. And then create the new project. So let's choose the CPU to match with the processor, with the software, right? For me, I will use the CPU 504, right? So I will choose 504 and here is my CPU. So choose the CPU and then click OK. And first we need to read the I/O configuration from the processor, right? So click I/O configuration and then click read I/O configure and choose who active and then choose the driver that we already add, yes, here, and then click OK and click the read I/O configure. We will got I/O, yes, the same as the slot that I already installed. Let me show the actual I/O. Let's see, the first one is a power supply, processor, input and output, yeah, the same slot, yeah, here. Okay, so this is the actual, the same as we already read here. Yes. After that, we can go to create the program to control the output, right? I will use this output for control the sequence output. Yeah. So first, let's insert the run. We have two ways to insert the run. The first one, we can right click and then insert run. The second one, we can click here, yeah, to insert the run. Yes. So the run earn is automatically create. So we need to use the sequence output, right? So let's go to see the sequence output tab. Yes, here, file shift and sequence. So here we can use sequence output here. So drag and drop to the network, to the run, yeah. And we need to create the file such as the binary file, yeah. So right click and then go to new. Example, I will choose the binary for example 50, right? And the element I will use 16, yes. We will got like this after created. So we can use, yeah. After that, we will create the timer for control the sequence output, right? Actually, the sequence output need to switch on, off. So let me show first, and then we will create the timer later. Okay. So example, I have a binary. Yes, I have a bit like this. Example, B0/0, and then I will choose the file. Yeah, the same as my slide here. Yes, we can use chaff B500.0, right? The same as my slide here. Sorry, :0. Yes. And then for the mask, we can also see the hell. Yes. Yeah, let's see the hell, and we can read the instruction. Example file is the address of the sequence file. Make sure to use the file. Yes, this symbol here. Yes. And for the mask is hexadecimal code. Yeah. Or the address of the mask word or file through which the indication move data. Okay. So we can use the hexadecimal. So I can use example, I can use FFFH. Yeah, it means that hexadecimal here. And for destination is the output that we would like to control, right? So we can use the output. Yeah, here output number 2, right? So we can use output number 2, 16-bit. So here I can go to output number 2, so I can use O2.0, right? .0, it means that word. Yeah. Output number 2, yeah, word. For control, normally we use ASIC. Yeah, we use this one. And for length, example, I would like to turn on the output with the 16. Yeah, so I can write 16. And the position is automatically when we download, and the step is work, so the output is changed, right? The position is changed. So let's compile and download the program to the PLC to see the data. Example, test XUO, mean that test sequence number. So I will download to the SLC processor. Okay. So if I click yes, click OK, it will stop the CPU. Yeah. And then download the program to the CPU. Okay. And we can online, and we can go to run button, and we can run the processor. Let's see, the processor is running. Then we can choose the option that we would like to control the output, right? So let's go to B50. Yes. So here we can choose the option that we want. Example, I will turn on this one. Yeah. Turn on this one. Turn on this one. Turn on this one. Yeah. Turn on this one. Turn on this one. Then if I push the B0/0, let's see. Okay, the bit is turned on. Let's see, the bit number 1 is turned on right now. Let's see here, and we can also online to see the status here. Let's see, O2.0 is turned on, bit number 1, yes. And the output is turned on also for the real PLC. Yes, let's see here. Okay. So if I turn on and turn off again, turn off and turn on again, it will change to step number 2, right? Position number 2, and turn on another output that we already set in the B50, right? And then we can turn off and turn on again. We will change to another output, yes, like this. Okay, it will change to step by step. So if we would like to change the output, no need to use the on and off. We can also use the timer to control, right? Let me show. Let me remove this one first and then go offline. Okay, and then I will insert the run. Yes, insert the one run that we can control. Yes, so I will insert the one run. Okay, delete first. Insert the run, right? I will insert 2 run. Okay, so I will use the NO for enable, and then use the timer. Yes, or we can use this bit first, like this. Okay, and then this one I will use like this, and I will enable the timer. Yes, so let's go to timer on, and then it will start from T4, right? Okay, and this one should be T4 DN, right? DN here. So when the timer is up, it will control this switch or this contact. So I will use DN. Okay, like this. And for this one, I will use the B1, right? And when the DN is working, so I will cut the input, sorry, like this. Okay, so we can turn on and off, follow the preset timer. Example, I will use 3 seconds, yeah, to on off the sequence output function. Okay, then we can download. Okay, stop the CPU again when we download. Okay, and then we can run the CPU back, and we will set the sequence number again. Let's check again. Okay, no need to set right here. Okay, so let's test together. So if I turn on this one, yes, turn on. Okay, let's see the output. it will turn on step by step, right? Follow our setting. Yes. Here 5 6 automatically generate, right? The output follow the step that we already set here, and I will show the real status of PLC also. So let's see the sequence output. (16), right? Until this step. One. $11, $12. Why 12 not work? Let's check here. It should be work, right? This one, number 2. We can adjust a little bit, right? This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? Why 16 not on? Number 16. I will add more for this one. So let me offline first, yeah, to be the same the slide, otherwise it will not work, because here we need to set add one more, yes. Okay, let me offline and change this one to F. Okay, and then download again. Okay, that's why it not work until sequence number 16, right? So we can increase the mass, yeah, if we would like to turn on all. Okay, then let's check our file again. Okay, that's correct. Okay, and then we can turn on again. And let's see the output. Start change, right? Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, and number 16, right? 16 is come to 1 again. I will show the status on PLC also. Okay, let's see the output is changed automatically, follow our sequence that we already set. Yes. So it's very important for the function that we would like to control the sequence output. Yeah, so we can use to control another output that we want. Yeah, automatically change the output. Yes, it will go to bit number 1 again. Yes. So if you would like to change any function, yeah, we can write the sequence output. Follow, it will work followed by the parameter that we set. Okay. So if we would like to increase the timer, yeah, or decrease the timer, we can also decrease. I will set to 2. Yes, it will faster than before. It will change faster than before because it only 2 seconds, right? Let's see. Yes, it will change fast. Yes, change very fast. Okay, and then we can change to 1. It means that change very fast. Let's see, the output is changed very fast. Follow our timer that we set. Yes. Yeah. So it's working properly. Yes. So this is just instruction and example about how to use the sequence output for SLC500. Yes, with the RSLogix 500 also. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. And if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.